Hey nail friends, welcome to Painted Jab. It's your favorite licensed nail tech and the owner, Jenna Alexander. If you are new here, these videos are about me building my nail brand. So if you need any tips and tricks about nail care or starting your own brand, this is what I'm here for. So in my last video, I talked about making my own labels for under $30 instead of outsourcing them from a company or something. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I put the labels onto the bottles. So once they've been printed out, they come out in sheets. I've already done some of the labels, so this is already cut in half, but my sheets come printed out. And then I just cut out my labels with a pair of scissors. So I've got some labels already cut out here. Got some labels cut out here. I have a couple of pouches that need to be labeled. So I will be demonstrating that in this video, as well as showing you how I label my lotion bottles. So we'll just get straight into it. Take one of these bottles out. It's super easy to do. This label says lotion on it, has my logo, has the website. You just drop it in the water. Doesn't take too long. I'm actually gonna grab a paper towel as well. All right, so you just leave the decal in the water for about 30 seconds or until it easily slides off of the backing. So I will show you that here. I'm just gonna take this label out. I'm gonna drop one in so that I can do the bag and I'll be ready. So I'll drop that one in. As you can see, kind of curled up a little bit. I'm just gonna uncurl it. Place it where I want it to be on my bottle. I'm doing it with where the cap opens up. So the front of the bottle. And you just place it, slide the backing off. And then you can adjust it to your bottle. Just kind of adjusting it. It works better if your fingers are a little bit wet and the surface is a little bit wet too. But I'm just lightly moving it around, getting any air bubbles out and adjusting it to my bottle. I'm gonna take my paper towel and just dab it gently to get any of that extra water out. And then it says to let it dry for 3 hours. So that's a bottle. And since I have this label in here to do one of my pouches, I'll demonstrate that as well. So it's a little bit easier if I open up the pouch. It's probably easier too if you put like a piece of cardboard or something on the inside, just because this surface is so flexible and bendy. But I've kind of done it a couple of times and I can just use the back of my hand to slide it on there. So I'm just gonna stick my hand on the inside of the pouch. Remove that label from my water. Get off some of that excess. I'm going to place it where I want it in the center. And then I'm just gonna slide that backing out. Adjust my label, get any air bubbles out. And then dab that dry with my napkin. There's still a couple air bubbles. And then I'm gonna give that time to dry as well. And then those labels will be stuck on there. So I will show you guys a bunch of the bottles that I've already done. These are all of the products that I hand labeled. I had some help. This is everything minus the lotion bottles. But I just wanted to show you guys. This took about a day. I did around 20 plus of each container. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. I have a ton of bottles to do. I think I've done over 100 different labels. It took me a little over a day and a half, but I had some help. But that's how easy it is to put your own labels on your brand. So give it a try, save some money, and good luck. make sure you bust out and shine through. Bye, guys.